Welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring a true icon of classic European yacht building, the Altena 48 Excel Blue Water Trawler, produced between 1997 and 1999. A vessel that represents strength, comfort, and long-range cruising capability in its purest form. This is not just a yacht, it is a floating home designed for those who value reliability, craftsmanship, and the freedom of the open sea. The Altena 48 Excel stands out immediately as a serious blue water trawler, built with a full steel hull that gives it exceptional durability and a reassuring presence in the water. This yacht was designed for people who dream of long voyages rather than short coastal trips, and everything about it reflects that purpose. From its solid construction to its practical layout, it is built to handle time, distance, and the unpredictable nature of the ocean. As we step aboard, the sense of security is undeniable. Wide side decks allow safe movement around the vessel, high railings provide confidence even in rough conditions, and the overall structure feels solid and dependable. This is the kind of yacht that inspires trust from the moment you set foot on it, and that trust only grows as you explore further. Entering the main salon, you are welcomed into a space that perfectly balances comfort and functionality. The main salon is the heart of the yacht, designed as a central gathering area where life on board truly happens. Large windows surround the space, allowing natural light to pour in and offering uninterrupted views of the surrounding sea. The atmosphere feels warm and inviting, thanks to the rich wooden finishes that define the interior, often crafted in teak or mahogany, creating a classic nautical ambiance. The seating arrangement in the main salon is thoughtfully designed for both relaxation and social interaction. Whether you are enjoying a quiet evening or entertaining guests, the space adapts effortlessly. The layout feels open yet cozy, making it ideal for extended stays on board. Storage is cleverly integrated, ensuring that everything has its place without compromising the aesthetic appeal of the room. Connected seamlessly to the main salon is the Helm control system, which is one of the most important functional areas of the yacht. The indoor helm station allows the captain to navigate comfortably regardless of weather conditions. This is especially valuable during long journeys when external conditions may not always be favorable. The controls are arranged in an intuitive and ergonomic manner, ensuring that everything is within easy reach. From the helm seat, visibility is excellent, allowing clear views ahead and to the sides. Navigation instruments are positioned for quick access and easy monitoring, reflecting the practical design philosophy behind the Altena 48 Excel. This is not about flashy technology but about reliable and user-friendly operation. The helm area also integrates well with the salon, allowing the captain to remain part of the social environment while still maintaining full control of the vessel. Moving toward the galley, the kitchen area is designed with long-term living in mind. This is not a compact or compromised space but a fully functional kitchen that supports life at sea. The galley features ample counter space for meal preparation, along with sufficient storage for provisions, cookware, and utensils. Everything is arranged to maximize efficiency, making it easy to cook even while the yacht is in motion. Appliances are integrated in a practical manner, allowing for a comfortable cooking experience, whether preparing a simple breakfast or a full meal for guests. The galley provides the tools and space needed. The positioning of the kitchen also ensures that it remains connected to the main living area, making it easy to interact with others while cooking. This open and social layout enhances the overall onboard experience. As we move into the accommodation areas, the owner cabin stands out as a private and comfortable retreat, designed to provide rest and relaxation after long days at sea. The cabin is spacious, featuring a large double bed that offers true comfort rather than the cramped feeling often found in smaller yachts. Storage space is generous, with wardrobes and compartments that allow for extended stays without compromise. The design of the owner cabin reflects the same attention to detail seen throughout the yacht: warm wooden finishes, soft lighting, and a layout that prioritizes comfort and practicality. It feels more like a bedroom in a home than a cabin on a boat, creating a sense of stability and familiarity even when you are far from shore. The guest cabin provides additional accommodation, making the yacht suitable for family and friends. This space is designed to be both functional and comfortable, often featuring twin beds or a flexible arrangement that can adapt to different needs. Despite being a secondary cabin, it maintains the same level of quality and thoughtful design, ensuring that guests enjoy a pleasant and comfortable stay. The bathroom facilities onboard are equally impressive, designed to offer convenience and comfort in a compact yet efficient layout. The bathrooms are well equipped, often including a shower, sink, and marine toilet, with good use of space and quality materials that ensure durability over time. Ventilation and lighting are carefully considered, creating a clean and pleasant environment. One of the highlights of the Altena 48 XL is the Flybridge, which adds an entirely new dimension to the onboard experience. The Flybridge serves as an outdoor command center and relaxation area, offering panoramic views that are simply unmatched. From this elevated position, you can enjoy a full view of the horizon, making it an ideal place for navigation in calm weather or simply enjoying the journey. The Flybridge is typically equipped with a secondary helm station, allowing the captain to control the yacht from above. This is especially enjoyable during sunny days when the weather is perfect for outdoor cruising. Seating areas on the Flybridge provide space for guests to relax, socialize, and take in the scenery. It becomes a favorite spot on board, combining functionality with leisure. Below deck, the engine room represents the true power and capability of the Altena 48 XL. This is where the yacht proves its identity as a serious blue water cruiser. Access to the engine room is well planned, allowing for easy inspection and maintenance. The layout is organized and spacious enough to work comfortably, which is a crucial feature for long-term ownership. The engines themselves are typically robust diesel units, known for their reliability and efficiency. These are not high-speed engines but are designed for endurance, capable of running for extended periods without stress. This aligns perfectly with the philosophy of the yacht, which focuses on steady and efficient cruising rather than speed. All essential systems are located within reach, making maintenance tasks straightforward. This practical approach ensures that the yacht remains dependable over time, even during long journeys. Sound insulation is also well handled, reducing noise and vibration and contributing to a more comfortable onboard environment. When it comes to performance, the Altena 48 XL delivers a smooth and stable ride. The displacement hull moves gracefully through the water, minimizing motion and providing a comfortable experience even in less than ideal conditions. Cruising speeds are modest, typically in the range of 7 to 10 knots, but this is exactly what allows the yacht to achieve excellent fuel efficiency. The range of the yacht is one of its strongest advantages. Large fuel tanks support long-distance cruising, allowing you to travel far without frequent stops. This makes it ideal for exploring remote destinations or even living aboard full-time. The stability of the vessel adds to its appeal, making long journeys more enjoyable and less tiring for everyone on board. What truly sets the Altena 48 XL apart are its unique selling points. The full steel construction provides unmatched durability and safety, giving owners confidence in all types of conditions. The timeless design ensures that the yacht remains visually appealing even decades after its construction, avoiding the dated look that affects many modern vessels. The interior layout is another major strength, offering a perfect balance between living space and functionality. Every area is designed with purpose, ensuring comfort without sacrificing practicality. This makes the yacht ideal for long-term use, whether for extended cruising or full-time living. Fuel efficiency and range make it a cost-effective choice for serious boaters, while the versatility of the design allows it to perform equally well in coastal waters, rivers, and open oceans. Safety features are integrated throughout the yacht, from its stable hull to its secure deck layout, creating a vessel that prioritizes the well-being of its occupants. In the end, the Altena 48 XL Blue Water Trawler is more than just a yacht. It is a lifestyle choice for those who value quality, reliability, and the freedom to explore. It offers the perfect combination of traditional craftsmanship and practical design, making it a timeless option for anyone looking to experience true blue water cruising. Even today it stands as a testament to what thoughtful engineering and dedicated craftsmanship can achieve.